Most people think debt disappears when you make payments. That's wrong. For millions of people, debt actually grows even while they're paying it. This is called the interest trap. Interest isn't loud. It doesn't feel dangerous. It works quietly in the background, using time against you, and once you're in it, getting out feels impossible. Let's say you owe $5,000 on a credit card at 22% interest. You pay $150 every month. Sounds responsible. But here's what actually happens. Most of that payment goes to interest, not the balance. So, even after months of paying, the debt barely moves. You're working, you're paying, but the finish line doesn't get closer. That's the trap. Credit cards aren't designed to help you escape. They're designed to keep you paying as long as possible. Minimum payments stretch debt across years, so interest has more time to grow. Time becomes the enemy. Here's the scary part. Interest isn't bad by itself. It's just powerful. On debt, interest takes from you. On investments, interest builds for you. Same force, opposite direction. The interest trap isn't about being bad with money. It's about not knowing how the game works. Once you see it, you stop fighting time and start using it. Thank you for watching Aaron's Money Manual. I really appreciate you being here and taking the time to learn how money actually works. Keep it simple, stay consistent, and remember that wealth is built by discipline, not drama. Explore the channel for more beginner-friendly investing breakdowns and practical money content, and I'd love to have you back for the next one. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you next time.